Thank you for watching this week's video notes on the rapid training evolution. For more information on this topic and many more, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.
Welcome to the Explainer. You know, in manufacturing, getting someone up to speed used to take, well, months. We're going to dive into how Smart's tech is slashing that training time, not to weeks, but to hours. And this is a huge deal because it's solving a massive crisis happening on factory floors right now. Okay, so first things first. Let's really dig into this training crisis the manufacturers are dealing with. There's this perfect storm of factors that's just putting a ton of pressure on the old way of doing things.
For starters, the workforce is just constantly in motion. High turnover? That's not the exception anymore, it's the rule. And the old training models? They just weren't designed for a world where people are coming and going all the time.
And if that wasn't enough, there's this growing experience gap. The folks coming in today often have way less hands-on mechanical background than, say, a generation ago. So that learning curve, it's gotten incredibly steep right from day one. Now this next one, this is a huge one. When your veteran workers retire or leave, they're taking decades of know-how with them. We call it tribal knowledge, right? It's all those little tricks, the gut feelings, the things that are never written down in a manual, but are absolutely critical to keep things running smoothly. And that knowledge is literally walking out the door every single day.
So what you see here is this giant disconnect. The old way of training was built on these assumptions that honestly just aren't true anymore. You know, that workers would stick around for years, that there'd always be a seasoned pro available to mentor them. But the reality today, it's high turnover, and those experts are stretched so thin they're completely overbooked. The whole foundation of that old model has pretty much crumbled.
And that's why these old-school methods just aren't cutting it. Things like shadowing someone or going through these long apprenticeships, they're just too slow, too inconsistent. Not for a world that needs people to be productive and safe from their very first day, not after 6 weeks of making mistakes.
So, okay, if the old model is broken, what's the fix? Well, it's this really cool concept called the rapid training evolution. And the big idea here is that the interface, the screen on the machine, it becomes the instructor.
This whole new model revolves around modern human-machine interfaces, HMIs. And the core idea is actually really simple. Training isn't a separate thing you go do anymore. It's not an event. It's built right into the job itself, and it's provided by the system on demand.
But for this to work, the HMI has to totally evolve. It can't just be a passive screen that shows you some numbers. No way. It has to become an active coach. It needs to teach, to guide, to confirm you're doing things right, and warn you when you're not. It basically becomes the operator's #1 instructor.
Okay, so what does this actually look like on the factory floor? Well, the key is this massive shift, a move away from just telling people what to do and towards showing them with really powerful visual guides.
Think about it. The old way of training is almost all verbal. You're forced to listen, to memorize a bunch of steps, to try and interpret these complicated instructions. That puts a crazy amount of strain on your memory, especially when you're in a high-pressure spot. But the new way, it's all visual. It throws out the lectures and replaces them with awesome tools right there on the HMI screen. I'm talking animations, short videos of each step, components that light up to show you what to touch. It gives you the info exactly when and where you need it, and it taps into how we all learn best, by seeing and doing. What this does is it takes a really complex job, like a machine changeover, and turns it into this simple, repeatable checklist. The HMI literally walks you through it, step by step. It'll lock the sequence so you can't do things in the wrong order. It shows you a picture of what done right looks like. It'll even block you from making a dangerous mistake. It basically becomes a perfect, error-proofed training session every single time.
And the impact here, it's not just about one operator on one machine. No, this goes way beyond that. It completely changes how knowledge is handled and how supervisors actually spend their time across the entire plant.
You know, we've all heard that phrase on the factory floor, right? Go ask Bill, he knows the trick. But relying on just one person, that's a huge bottleneck. It means that all that critical knowledge is super fragile and honestly really inconsistent.
So the big shift is moving from Ask Bill to the HMI shows you. You capture that expert knowledge, you digitize it, and it becomes this permanent asset for the entire team. This is how you build consistency and make sure that knowledge never walks out the door when Bill retires.
And just look at what this does for your supervisors. In the old system, a supervisor spends, 70% of their day just training people and fixing mistakes. It's crazy.
But when the HMI takes over that job, they're not babysitting anymore. They're freed up to do what they were actually hired to do: lead their team, coach people, and make the whole process better.
This also gets to the very root of why so many new people quit. They're just confused. People leave jobs when they feel overwhelmed, when they feel unsupported, when they feel like they're failing. But this new HMI experience, it flips that script. It replaces stress with clarity. It gives instant feedback, and it builds an operator's confidence from the very first day.
And really, it all boils down to this simple idea. A confident worker is a capable worker. A capable worker feels successful. And you know what? A successful worker is one who stays. Confidence is retention.
All right, let's wrap this all up, because it's so important to understand that this isn't just some nice-to-have new feature. For manufacturers today, this is a must-have. It's a necessary evolution. Really, it's about survival.
The old pillars that we used to build training on, classroom sessions, long apprenticeships, relying on tribal knowledge, they just can't hold up the weight of a modern factory anymore. They're too slow, they're too fragile, and they depend on resources like veteran experts that are literally disappearing. The workforce today, they need something completely different. They need to be capable right now. They need visual instructions. They need step-by-step guidance that they can't mess up. Basically, they need skills on demand, with the training baked right into the interface, giving them exactly what they need to know right when they need to know it.
And that really leaves us with one fundamental question to think about. Is your training something separate that workers have to receive, something they have to remember and then try to apply, or is it something your system provides continuously to everyone all the time? Answering that question is what's going to separate the manufacturers who survive and thrive from those who get left behind.
Thank you for watching this week's video notes on the rapid training evolution. For more information on this topic and many more, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.